USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. These buttons are for you and they are all free, so subscribe, like and share. And then below the video you have a link which says swing like a pro. So come to the link here, click on that, then come to this page where you can check my recent trades, my recent setups, and you can join this program if you want to enter and exit with me. And then we have a link which says book consultation. So if you want to speak to me one-to-one, you can book consultation. You can always join my free Telegram. So get into my Telegram. And coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we have a massive 500 pips candle, I guess. A lot of people must have been screwed on Friday, which is fine, which is how this industry works. Because if you get screwed, then somebody else makes money because they were right, you were wrong. So this industry pays for the skill, not for labor, not for stupidity. Okay, so this industry is only for skillful people. When let me take some time here. I could wind up this video in just 1-2 minutes, but I got something in my mind just right now. So let's tell you the comparison. Who actually makes money in this industry in trading, any kind of trading, forex trading, stock trading, this trading, that trading. See, if you go offline, there are plenty of ways to make money offline. You can be uneducated, that's fine. I don't give education any preference. Education is a scam, by the way, if you don't know it. Okay, I have different topics. I can speak for hours and hours and hours. I can speak on education, I can speak on politics, I can speak on this, I can speak on that, and I will never stop speaking. But education is a scam. Knowledge has got nothing to do with education. Yeah, it's good that you study, you know ABCD, you know 1 2 3 4 5, you know physics, chemistry, you become a doctor, that's fine. But overall, education is a scam. Because who makes money? Those people who run educational institutes, universities, colleges, they make money. What do? You get a loan. You get a loan, you get a stupid job, and you repay your loan all your life. You repay your home EMI. You call buying a house. It's not a house until you're 60 years old, because you have been paying the EMI for 25 years. Okay, this is a stupid world. Rather, you are made fool in this world. Okay, so anyways, if I start talking about if I start talking about those things, the video will be never ending. So this industry is only for skilled people. Now, when we say skilled, you might have heard about this term that, when people migrate to a different country, they have to apply for skilled jobs, skilled labor. What is skilled labor? Maybe you're a software engineer, you work for Apple, Google, so you can go from one country to another country and get a job in Apple, Microsoft, Adobe, or some other company, big company. That's called, a skilled labor, a skilled job. I think that's stupid, because yes, you can make software. That's your expertise. That's your field. But at the same time, you're working for somebody else. I'm gonna make this video maybe 10 minutes long. Okay, so hold on. So you are still working for somebody else, and somebody else is responsible for paying you the salary. Whether you work as a freelancer software engineer, or whether you work as an IT company, whatever, you still need to find clients, and clients have to pay you, or maybe you have to get a salary from somebody. That's the only way you can make some money. That is your skill, that you can make software. You are some IT guy, some this guy, some that guy or woman, but you are still dependent on some clients or some other company to pay you the salary. This forex trading is maybe one of those industries, maybe the only industry where you don't need any clients. I don't need any clients to make money in forex trading. You're not paying me anything, are you? If you win in trading, you make your money. You don't. Nobody's paying you. You put in your money. You use your skill to do trading, and if you win, you make fucking money. Somebody else loses money because they're fools. Fools mean that they did not have the knowledge which you have. If I win, you lose. I have knowledge you don't. If you win, I lose. You have knowledge I don't. Do you understand? So this is the only industry where only those people survive who got the real talent, real skill. Trading is not a gamble. Anybody can come in Las Vegas and try their luck. No, this is not Las Vegas. This is either you are in, you're out, or you are fucked up. So again, here you see, this is a 500 pip candle in just one day. And many people would have been fucked up on Friday in this candle. I was not one of them because I knew what's going to happen. Anyways, so coming back to Delhi, Delhi is again, we have in last 3 days we have bleeded, and in 4 hour what we got? 4 hour we are below the EMA, made a new low. So right now I won't say don't trade USDJPY, because if you trade dollar pairs, I mean, I can tell you what's going to happen in USDJPY. It's going to take a pullback and bounce back at least. Okay, so it's going to bounce back in next few days. But when I'm doing the dollar pair analysis, you have Euro USD, you have GBP USD, you have IUD USD. Why the fuck will you even touch USDJPY? If you touch USDJPY after even having Euro USD, if you have Euro USD to trade, if you have GBP USD to trade, you are a fucking idiot after that if you touch USDJPY. You don't have to trade every fucking pair. Do you understand that? There's no need to trade everything. You have IUD USD, you have Euro USD, you have GBP USD. There's no fucking need to touch USD CAD or USD JPY. Okay, so we have bleeded, and it's now time for pullback in USD JPY. So again, obviously, I am asking you not to trade USD JPY. Go and watch my Euro USD, GBP USD analysis, and you will get trades there. Anyways, I can give you a lecture all day, but let's wind this up. So if you want to enter and exit with me, join this program, subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.